Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 5 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the ZEP logo on the screen or the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. Okay, so the AMAZFIT logo. Once you see the AMAZFIT logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.